10 things to do every month to keep your appliances like new. The first thing to do is to change your air filters. These can cause a lot of allergies, especially if you have pets. Next, we're going to deep clean our washing machine. You can use vinegar or baking soda, but don't use both at the same time, or they will cancel each other out. Add 1 cup to an empty cycle and run on the hottest setting. Next, we're going to clean out the washing machine filter. Make sure to use a towel and a bowl, because the first time I did this, I got water everywhere. Mold and mildew can collect inside here, so it's good to brush this out about once a week. Next, we're going to clean out the dryer vent. I found this cute little brush at Whole Foods. It was actually a bottle cleaner, but it works great for inside my dryer vent. Don't forget to clean out your lint trap. I usually do this every week. Next, we're going to clean out our Keurig with these cleaning pods. These work great in between descales. Next, we're going to clean out our dishwasher filter. These can get pretty gross if you don't rinse off your dishes before you put them in the dishwasher. Next, we're going to deodorize our garbage disposal. These pods work great, and they're very satisfying to watch each and every time. If you haven't tried Power Paste yet, you have to try this stuff. It is amazing. I saw it on TikTok, and I was shocked at how clean it got my sink. I mean, literally, all this gray stuff was coming off of it. I thought it was clean. And then once I sprayed it off and everything, it looks so shiny and new. You guys have got to try this stuff. It's awesome. Okay, next we're going to add vinegar to the dishwasher and then to our sink drains. And then we're going to soak our shower heads in vinegar too. This stuff will get it really clean. And while the shower heads are soaking, I disinfect the showers. I use a mop now, which is way easier on my knees.